New project, Red Sea, 34 gallons. About to make a stand, been buying some equipment, gonna get back into my carpentry. Let's do it, cause I'm ready. Okay, first thing I did, I cut 4 pieces of 2x2s, 15 by 3/8, and 4 pieces of 19 and 5/8 long, and these are also 2x2 to make the frames in the inside. My progress so far, putting things together, made the base right there. These long ones in the front was 4 at 19 and 5/8. These coming down was 4 at 27 inches. And these going across here were 4 at 15 and 3/8. So I'm just trying to put the base together so far. Everything's coming out good. Building a stand for a 34-gallon Red Sea. Notice nobody has videos for it. I'm going to be the first one to put it up. Another update. Haven't screwed nothing together yet, but just finished making the stand. Things coming out pretty good. These, I made them 18 and 3/4 by 30 inches. Both of them. And this one in the back, I made it 19 and 3/4. I just added 1 inch because the wood is a half inch plywood. It's coming out okay. I'm pretty good. I should have been a carpenter. Alright, I'm finishing up. Got the sides all in. I drilled the hole with a thin bit to get the screw in and a fatter one to make the screw sink in. Put some wood putty, make it look real nice. I'm doing the floor base now. So the floor base was 19 and 1/4. I put the blocks to measure the corners so it could fit in perfectly. This is my update so far. And then I have the old top from the old stand I'm gonna throw on top of it. It's coming up pretty good. It's kind of messy, but coming out. My progress so far, I'm gonna take this from the old stand and make the base for the inside, and also kept the top from the old stand. But pretty good carpentry here. Quick little update. Everything's coming together. Got the bottom done. Used the old piece. Made a shelf for the inside, and I left enough space in the middle for a chiller. Just gotta drill out a hole to pass the hoses through. And put the top on and put the screw the door on. Alright guys, I finished up. Screwed this in, sanded it down to give it a nice fresh coat. Put a piece of wood up here, same measurement of the thing so that the door can fit perfectly in the middle. I also put one on the bottom. I cut the inside board. I made some holes to put the chiller, and I made a hole in the top to put the cords coming out. Came out pretty good. This is the door from the old system. I cut off some of the door so they can fit into this stand. This is the way the back looks. I have the hinges for the door, but I gotta fill in all these wood holes first, and then I'll start sanding it down, and then the door will be the last thing I put on. Pretty good for being done in about an hour and a half. This is gonna be the finished product. Still gotta screw the door on. Came out pretty good. Homemade style, looking professional. This is the finished product for now. I used the same top that I had, so everything fell perfectly. I filled in the holes using wood filler. I made a little border for the front, so to give the spacing for the door in the middle. I took the same door that I had before. Also took the same flooring. Made 3 holes for the chiller, 1 hole for power cords. Put a little shelf in there. Fill up all the wood. Now all we gotta do is sand it down and give it some spray paint. Who may stand for the Red Sea.